Welcome to this guide on creating your first Amazon Web Services account. Amazon Web Services, commonly known as AWS, is one of the world's leading cloud computing platforms. In this tutorial, you'll learn the complete step-by-step process to set up your own AWS account from scratch. Whether you're a student, a developer, or someone exploring cloud technology for the first time, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional AWS account ready to use. Before you begin creating your AWS account, you'll need to gather a few essential items. First, you'll need a valid email address that you have access to, as AWS will send verification codes and important account information to this email. Second, you'll need a phone number for identity verification. AWS uses this to confirm your identity through either a text message or a phone call. Finally, you'll need a valid credit or debit card. Don't worry, AWS offers a free tier with many services available at no cost, but the card is required for verification purposes. Make sure you have these 3 items ready before proceeding to the next step. Now let's begin the account creation process. The first step is to navigate to the AWS Sign Up page. Open your web browser and go to aws.amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a button to create a new account or sign up. Click on that button to start the registration process. The AWS website is user-friendly and will guide you through each step. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, as you'll need to complete several verification steps during the process. In this step, you'll enter your basic account information. First, provide the email address you want to use for your AWS account. This will be your primary contact method and login credential, so make sure it's an email you check regularly. Next, choose an account name. This is a friendly name that helps you identify your account, especially if you manage multiple AWS accounts in the future. Finally, create a strong password for your account. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure maximum security. After entering all this information, AWS will send a verification code to your email address to confirm it's valid. Next, you'll need to choose your account type and add contact details. AWS offers 2 account types, personal and professional. If you're creating an account for learning, personal projects, or experimentation, select personal. If you're setting up an account for your business or organization, choose professional. Both account types have access to the same features and services, so the main difference is how you'll be using the account. After selecting your account type, fill in your contact information including your full name, address, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Make sure all information is accurate, as AWS may use this for verification and billing purposes. Now it's time to add your payment method. On the billing information page, enter your credit or debit card details including the card number, expiration date, and cardholder name. You'll also need to provide the CVV code from the back of your card. Here's an important point to note. AWS will charge a small verification amount to your card, typically $1. This charge is temporary and will be automatically refunded within a few business days. This is simply to verify that your card is valid and active. The verification charge helps AWS prevent fraudulent account creation and ensures account security. Don't be alarmed when you see this small charge. It's completely normal and part of the standard account creation process. Identity verification is a crucial security step in the account creation process. AWS needs to confirm that you are a real person creating this account. You'll be asked to choose a verification method, either a phone call or an SMS text message. Select your preferred option, then enter your phone number with the correct country code. If you chose the SMS option, you'll receive a text message with a verification code. If you chose the phone call option, you'll receive an automated call that will provide you with a verification code. Enter the code you receive into the verification field on the AWS website. This code is usually 4 to 6 digits long and is time-sensitive, so make sure to enter it promptly. You're almost done. The final step is to select a support plan. AWS offers several support plans with different levels of service. For beginners and those just starting out, the basic support plan is perfect and it's completely free. The basic plan includes access to customer service, documentation, white papers, and support forums. If you're using AWS for business-critical applications or need faster response times, you can choose the developer plan, which costs $29 per month. For now, if you're just learning or experimenting, select the basic free plan. You can always upgrade your support plan later if your needs change. Congratulations! You've successfully created your AWS account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been set up and is ready to use. You'll also receive a confirmation email at the address you provided during registration. Keep in mind that while your account is created immediately, full activation may take up to 24 hours in some cases. During this time, AWS is verifying your information and processing your payment method. Most accounts are activated within just a few minutes, but if you experience any delays, don't worry, it's normal. Once your account is fully activated, you'll have access to the entire AWS ecosystem and can start exploring the hundreds of cloud services available. Now that your AWS account is set up, there are a few important next steps you should take to secure and optimize your account. First, enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for your root account. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification when you log in, making your account much more secure against unauthorized access. Second, create IAM users and roles. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. Instead of using your root account for daily tasks, you should create separate IAM users with specific permissions. This follows the principle of least privilege and helps protect your account. Finally, set up billing alerts to monitor your AWS usage and costs. Billing alerts will notify you via email if your charges exceed a threshold you set, helping you avoid unexpected costs. These 3 steps will help you maintain a secure, well-organized, and cost-effective AWS environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.